Okay, today is Wednesday and forecast is about 4.5 feet swell and wind is about 3 to 10 miles per hour until 11 or 12 o'clock. So hopefully I get to catch some fish. And today is I'm coming out for a meet. Yeah, I got several friends coming over, and I got some friends already in town that hopefully I catching up a rockfish and maybe hopefully a couple lingcod to give them away. And people wondering what do I do with all the fish I catch. And I'll probably consume about 10 to 15, or my wife and I consume about 10 to 15% of our catch, and or others are given away to friends and families and some neighbors and some lucky campers. If I don't need a fish, I typically offer to whoever can enjoy the most. And enjoy the video. As I say, if you have any question, let me know. I'll be more than happy to try to answer your question best as I can. Fish on. Something grab it really hard. Maybe close 30 incher. It just grabbed the fish and took off. Good eating size. It's a nice eating size, about 27 maybe. I want to catch second ling, that way I can start doing the rockfish fishing, but fishing never works out per plan. I might just do rock fishing first and try to catch ling later as we go into the cove. little bit deeper side now. I dropped from 75 feet to 137 feet. See whether I have any luck at the deeper water. And as far as the nearshore rock fishing regulation goes, a lot of people get confused. For the 20 fathom line, it's not just purely water depth of 20 fathom, which is equivalent of 120 feet. CDFW developed a waypoint, bunch of coordinate point, and they connect those lines together to create the 20 fathom line. There's just some area it could be much deeper than 120 feet, goes almost 200 feet. Some places it could be shallow. That you need to have that information, hopefully on your Fishfinder or your phone. That way, make sure you're staying near shore of the 20 fathom line. And if you need help downloading the GPX file to upload it into your Fishfinder, if you search through my YouTube, I have instruction. We have members who is on the NCKA, North Cal Kayak Angler, who developed that information to help fellow fishermen. So you are very welcome to use that information, upload it to your Fishfinder. We have about 20 fathom line and 50 fathom line to help you out and maximize your fishing. Oh, black, small one, tiny. Lost blue. Get some black, not blue. Reasonable size. Probably black. Black or blue? Yeah, it's blue. Rockfish, black, blue again. Black. I think it's black. That's good. soon as 11 o'clock, it felt like a fan turn on. Fortunate thing was I was nearby, about 0.3 mile. Just no problem. Heading back in. And I might go stay in the cove and try to do some more fishing.